Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix a disk read error occurred Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type dclan. Type cd space, Windows /System32. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot, if any error in this command follow other command. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. bcd edit space, /export space, ctrl+alt+del /bcd backup. Type attrib space, ctrl+alt+boot /bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, ctrl+alt+boot /bcd space, bcd.old2. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd, type A.
I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.